what's going on? We got a warning, 33 psi. Something's not right. I think we are losing pressure. Let's have a closer look. So I just kneeled down because it showed, the rear left wheel, and here it is. Hissing sound. Here we go. We've got a chunk of metal in the tire. There is two ways we can go about it. We can go to social media and complain and whinge, oh, it's Tesla's fault, they get punctures all the time. Or I can say, wow, what a lucky coincidence. We parked the car, I plugged it in, and then I noticed the message that we are losing pressure. How lucky are we to get the puncture in the garage? Let's fix it up. Let's have a look how to fix it quickly. So here is what I carry in the boot of the car. It's a kit, a tubeless tire repair kit with a few tools, the glue, the big patch, which I won't be needing today, pliers to remove the object from the tire, glue, and most importantly, the plugs. Some black, some red, rubber gloves, of course, if you need to drive right afterwards, so you don't need to look for water to wash your hands. Let's have a fix. So it's important to do it right away, not to let all the air escape, because then it's much harder to press the tool with the plug inside the tire. So if you can act quickly, that helps. Just don't let the tire go completely flat, because then it's much harder. So before I remove the object, the piece of metal from the tire, what I'll do, I'll just prepare the tool. So this one is to make the hole cleaner and bigger for the plug to go in. And firstly, I'll remove the plug and I'll push it through the tool. So in this instance, let's say we'll use the red one, or the terracotta color one. So we'll just slide it through the needle as if we were going to saw fabric. And it's quite sticky, so you might have to use quite some force to push it through. This is best done without gloves, because then your gloves get stuck to this rubber plug. And you want it roughly in the middle there. And now we will apply the glue. The glue works two ways. It helps lubricating the plug so it goes easier into the tire, and also, of course, it vulcanizes the hole. So I hope this hasn't dried up completely. If it did, we have another one. Yeah, this is completely dried up. So you always make sure you have at least a couple of these tubes. Once they are open, they dry up pretty quick. So I have another two little ones here. And this can be done anywhere on the side of the road, or, well, as long as you're not on a highway. That would not be the best, or not the most comfortable. So this is a fresh tube. Now I'll just pour a bit over this case on the middle of the plug here, and then it will get spread and pushed into the hole. So I'll just prepare this for now, and then I'll apply more glue as we are ready to push it into the hole. Now notice this split tip here. As you push it in, the rubber plug will separate, and you will be able to remove the tool no problems. See, it's split at the end. So it's oops. Okay, so that's there. We'll close the glue, and now we are ready to remove the shrapnel here. Oh wow! Oh wow! I caught it here. This is my wrongdoing. Exactly. When we were building a shed, this is a step drill. It might be mine, it might not be. I have no idea, but I worked with something like this. Now, we'll use this tool to open the hole up. Okay. In and out. And now we'll try to push this in. I'll see if I can squeeze in more glue on this. So it lubricates the hole. Okay, and a bit more here. But I think that is not from me, the tip, because I can't remember breaking one of these tools. All right, let's push it in. And all the force you can gather. So this is not probably not from the ladies. Wow, this is gonna be fun. So I don't think I can get enough strength to push it in. Come on. Maybe I need to hold more. So I'll push it back out. Yeah, this should be still usable. And now I'll go a few more times in and out to make the hole bigger. Okay, we'll put more glue in for lubrication. I'm glad it happened not far from the garage, otherwise it would be much messier on the road. And also it's a good idea to carry a good torch with you, because the phone is not ideal to create light. Yeah, it's coming in. Jesus Christ. No way. Oh. What's going on here?
It's Tesla tire.
Tough rubber. Oh, wow, she's almost completely flat now. Okay.
Mobile assistant.
No, I'm not giving up that easily. So I'll push in another plug. Okay, shall we try black one? Maybe the black one is lucky one. Let's have a look.
Can you put something in it in the meantime? So
I
it doesn't.
can, yeah, this tool. So it doesn't go all the way. Okay. So the plug, sticky. And glue, of course. Will it work?
Who knows?
Otherwise I have to pump the tire. Lucky I have a compressor here, so I will have to pump the tire so the hole opens up, which should make it easier. Okay, ready to push. Yeah! I have to pump the tire. The tire is back at about 42 psi. Let's see if I can push it in. If not, we'll have to take the wheel to get it patched. Oh wow, it's not going. Oh, Jesus. Okay. It's going. Yes.
What are you pressing?
Joe?
What are you pressing here?
Just the trigger for the air compressor. Oh my, she's in. Whew. What a mission. So now it's 3/4 in, and I'll just pull it out. And the hole is plugged. So now I'll let it dry up, then I will chop off the part that sticks out. And ideally you would want this to be taken off and patched from the inside, which I will probably do, so we have a peace of mind. And happy driving, safe travels. I went to check and this makes me feel better. My step drills are all intact, even though they are blunt. So this is somebody else's tip. If this is your first time on this channel, feel free here to subscribe, and YouTube will notify you of our future videos. You can as well click the bell notification so you'll not miss any future videos. I'll see you in the next one.